Hi, my name is Elena. I'm talking about shining silver after soldering jewelry. Soldering needs to be done by a professional anyway, so also the polishing after will be done by a professional. The first thing is you need to get the jewelry free of flags, which is done in acid. Then you need to file the repaired or soldered part in shape and sand it, and after that it will be polished on the polishing machine. If you're very passionate, you could also polish it on a piece of leather with polishing paste by hand.